Hello, this is Ashish Sharma from World AV Solution. Today we are here to demonstrate a product called Crestron Mercury UC CCS 1 AV. Basically, this is a product, very good product, which has been launched by Crestron for software video conferencing, and it's an open platform product. So you can use any of the software VCs like Zoom, Teams, InstaVC, GoToMeeting, anything can be used on this, and it has a touch screen. It has an inbuilt feature of wireless presentations for local presentations. So we will start with this, and here are the details of World AV Solution. We have given you the contacts. This is the product we want to demonstrate, and we have clubbed this product with PeopleLink Elite Premium 12x camera, which is a professional camera and a very high quality and a good camera, which we will demonstrate in a short while. As you can see, this is the Crestron Mercury CCS1 UC, which is for the open platform software VC. There are four inbuilt microphone in this, which give you a 360-degree coverage, full duplex speakerphone, and a very nice speaker is inbuilt. It's an all-in-one unit. Now let's see what are the wires which are going inside. Now the wires going is, this is of course for the power adapter wire. This is a USB which comes from the camera, the video conferencing camera. The USB comes inside this. This is the HDMI cable patch cord which comes with this product. This is again an HDMI. This also comes with the product. One is HDMI in, one is HDMI out. This is HDMI in. This comes from your laptop or your PC inside the Crestron Mercury. This is an HDMI out. This is connected to your display. Now coming back here, this is the network cable, and as you can see, there is one more USB here. This USB is for the laptop. One USB for the camera, one USB for the laptop. Two HDMIs, one HDMI for the laptop, and one is HDMI out for the display. Come back. Pause. As you can see, we are also introducing PeopleLink Elite Premium camera. In this Elite Premium camera, you get three types of models. One is a 12x optical zoom, one is 20x optical zoom, and one is 30x optical zoom. And it's a brilliant camera. It has got 72.5-degree field of view, and it's very suitable for your good conference rooms, right from let's say 12-seater to 50-seater. Depends on that, you have to take the zoom possible, and it's the latest introduction. As you can see, once you start this product, this is what you get on the screen. Now you can see a upward arrow here. Press the upward arrow here. From here you have to click on present. Once you put present, you are connected now. Your HDMI is connected, your USB is connected, and now you can make your video conferencing. Now I will just show you how we are going to look in the self view, which in the Elite Premium camera. I have connected this to Zoom, as you can see. You can see the remote of this. It's very simple to use. You have pan, tilt, zoom, everything inbuilt. One thing I forgot to tell you, this is the Logitech camera which comes along with this, but this cannot be used for professional use. You can use it for a small cabin, or you can give it to your employee on a desktop. So now you can see that the clarity of this camera and how simple it is to use. Now I will connect with one of my colleagues and show you the quality of microphone and the quality of the speaker. Now see, I have been sent a link by one of my colleagues for a meeting. I click on this link.
Hi there.
Hello. Now see,
Hello.
see, I am controlling the volume from here because the volume seems to be very high. I can even now mute the mic from here. As you can see, the mic is muted, or else I can even mute the mic from here. You can do both the things. Okay. Now, yes, Ashutosh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. You can listen to me clearly.
Yes, yes, clearly. I can hear her.
आता काय टी शर्ट चांगली घातलेली आहे.
हाँ?
टी शर्ट अच्छी पहनी तूने.
हाँ.
और हम लोग कैसे दिख रहे हैं?
क्लियर है, क्लियर है.
Okay.
ऑडियो भी अच्छा है. और ये टी-शर्ट मेरे भाई की पहनी हुई है.
So आप जैसे देख रहे हो, like you all can see from this there is a self view का small window also. You can see that what Ashutosh is seeing on that side, and what we are seeing Ashutosh is from his camera. So he is getting a better quality because we are having a very good camera, and he is getting a very clear audio. As you can see, there is no echo, there is no disruption, because this product has an inbuilt echo cancellation, acoustic echo cancellation, which we call. It's everything is there inbuilt in this, so you really don't have to worry. Plus this, we have recently done a demo wherein cabin of 16 seaters, this equipment alone was sufficient to cover 16 people without adding any additional mics. But just to tell you all, we can add 2 mic pods in this product. You can add 2 mic pods in this for a bigger room, like you have a room of let's say 30 or more seaters, so you can add 2 mic pods and it can cover up to 30 seater room also. Now after this, I'm going to show you the inbuilt wireless presentation feature of Crestron. This is the video conferencing part which you have done. It's an all-in-one unit, touch unit, do your VC, everything. Now the second feature is wireless presentation system, which again my colleague will come in and we will demonstrate that. And the other one is you can even connect this speaker phone, that is a Mercury, with your mobile via Bluetooth, and you can do a audio conferencing on your mobile, which is also very clear, and it's brilliant, superior experience you will get from this product. So next, now I am going to show you wireless presentation feature. Now as you can see on the left side corner, you can do the close-up. On the left side corner, you can see IP address and a code. Now I am going to show you how do you present wirelessly. This IP address which you just saw on the screen, you have to put this IP address on your browser. .168.1.39. This IP address is not permanent. It will change whenever you connect. I have said now. Now once you put this IP address in your browser, first time you will have to load the AirMedia app. I have already loaded, so it is just telling me to start presenting. I say start presenting, it is telling me allow, I say okay, back, and here AirPlay 2. As you can see, now it is asking me the passcode, which I have already shown you. 1234 is the passcode, which you can see on the screen. Now the same passcode I am putting here, and now I am connecting. As you can see, I have already been connected. Now look at my laptop. There are no wires. Okay. Now just to check, I'll show you a presentation on the screen. The presentation, these are the numbers and email ID of World AV Solution. This is the Crestron Mercury product which we are showing you. This is the Elite Premium camera. Can you just focus on the camera once? Camera. This is the premium camera of PeopleLink, which has excellent quality. Thank you. The same wireless connection I will show you through a Windows laptop. As you can see, there is a Windows laptop. He is putting in the IP address on his browser. Once he puts the IP address on his browser, same way, first time if he is doing it, he'll have to download the exe file. Once the app, Air Media app you have to download. Once you have downloaded that, now again he will be asked for a passcode. He's putting the passcode and he's on. And he's on. As you can see, he's on with the Windows laptop. Just he is on. Okay. Friends, as you can see on the Crestron Mercury, you will get this screen. Now I am going to show you how you can make audio calling via your mobile, how you can do audio conferencing with Bluetooth. As you can see, you will have 4 options here. So I'll tell you, you have to go to the call option. Here it is showing Bluetooth. You have to click on Bluetooth, and also as you can see on my phone, I'll have to first switch on the Bluetooth. I will say Bluetooth on. Let's say I'll say it off, then I will put it on. Now the Bluetooth is going on. As soon as the Bluetooth goes on, this is what I will get. AVF 11384. I'll have to connect to AVF 11384. As you can see here, connected Ashish iPhone. Now you can get a dialer screen. Now let's say I will dial a call now. I am dialing to Viraj of Crestron. Viraj, Ashish here. We have connected you through Crestron Mercury, your product. How is my voice?
Your voice is pretty clear.
Your voice is also clear. So what are you doing today on Saturday?
Actually, I'm working on one project right now.
Saturday also no leave.
What to do actually, because of this lockdown, you are already aware that we are having a new kind of time only at home.
Work from home, it means that now 24/7 work.
Yes, actually, ऐसा होता है कि like घर पे है तो ऐसा रहता है कि like अभी घर पे तो है, work from home ही तो है, तो थोड़ा सा ये कर दो, थोड़ा सा वो कर दो, ऐसा हो ही जाता है, आई है.
Correct. Thanks Viraj for joining us. Anything you will like to add? मैंने ये features में I have already shown how to connect a software VC. I have already shown how to do wireless presentation to Air Media. Now I am showing how to do it with Bluetooth wirelessly.
Okay.
Anything else you want to add for the features of this product?
Yeah, means these are all the features like you can do the UC calls, you can do the wired presentation, wireless presentation. In the audio segment, you can have the Bluetooth pairing option, USB SIP option is also there, and
It's an open SIP,
is
na?
also there.
Open SIP, na?
Open SIP. So instead of using a Cisco Mitel short cell phone, so instead of that, you can integrate with this Mercury. You can use it in the existing phone as well, so that you can call into pantry and all those things.
Right.
And
For
on top
internet.
of it, it also gives you the option of hooking up with the Exchange and Official 365 for room scheduling. Means like you can get a tenant from the street.
So it has got an inbuilt room scheduling also, and it has got occupancy sensor also, right?
Yes. So if you are already having the Exchange or Official 365, you can do that.
Okay. Fine. Thank you very much, Viraj. I am disconnecting the call. Bye.
Thank you.
As you can see, Viraj has explained that additional features. It has got occupancy sensor, and also it has got a room scheduler. So if you already have, like let's say Outlook Express or Exchange or anything, you can configure it with this. But it has got open SIP. If you are using IP dialing, like that, I mean IP phones and all, so you can just straight away integrate with Mercury with your phone, so you don't have to have, generally we have phones of Avaya or Cisco or Panasonic phones, IP phones we generally have in all the cabins and the offices. So you have to, that will be also be eliminated. You don't have to, if you are using phones of that kind, you don't have to buy for those rooms, because this will even work for that. So it will also work as your normal phones which you are using. It will work for your video conferencing. Any software video conferencing will work as a duplex speaker phone. It will work for your audio conferencing with your mobile via Bluetooth, and it also works as a wireless presentation device. So what else can you ask for? I mean, this product is providing you everything you want in a conference room in a single pack. You don't need to have anything else. No separate speakers, no separate mic, no separate wireless device, no separate occupancy sensor, no separate audio conference device, no separate phones, speaker phones which you generally have for your IP calling. So it's an all-in-one unit. Any other queries if you have, you must be having my details, and also my the YouTube video. You can add your comments, any comments. I will immediately reply to you. Anything, not only this, but anything related to video conferencing, anything related to audio-visual solutions, anything related, you have any query for Elite Premium camera of PeopleLink. I am not much talked about this camera because it has fantastic quality, 1080p 60 fps camera with 12x optical zoom, which I am using right now. You can go up to 20x, 30x optical zoom also, and a very simple ease of use remote. And it has auto white balance. It can even compensate in low light. It's a latest launch of PeopleLink. PeopleLink is the only multinational company which is fighting with the giants. It's a pure Indian company, the only Indian company in video conferencing since years. Thank you. Anything else? You have got my contact number. This is Ashish Sharma signing off. Thanks.